Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host Eben, and we're back with Anthony, a very special person from the channel. Now, we did Anthony's Subaru, and now we're doing his Camaro SS right over here. That's it right there. And we're going to be doing the order for all his products right now. Let's do it. So let's show him, Anthony, how to make an Amsoil order. That's today's video on your smartphone. How to make an Amsoil order. So Anthony's going to log in. It saved it. That's it, easy as pie. And now Anthony has some renewal points, so we're going to go ahead and answer customer printable membership expires, boom, so you're still good. So Anthony's PC membership gets him 25% off. We're going to use your points, so we're going to hit that's where you can view details, or you can refer a friend. So we're going to go right here to that. And we're going to do auto light truck. We're going to go ahead to his specific vehicle. So we're going to look up the year, make, and model. So we'll plug in the year. 2014. We got the select make. Oh, select year. It didn't take.
Oh, there we go.
Maybe take off the Wi-Fi. It's cutting out on the Wi-Fi, I think. Just go to your regular Wi-Fi.
Select make, Chevrolet.
Camaro.
Model, Camaro. Engine, 6.2 liter LS3.
Yep. Find products.
Find products.
So we're taking you step by step. Now we'll start at the engine. So we got the engine. We're going to go with the 530 Signature Series. Creme de la creme, the best of the best. And we're going to go back and see how much capacity he's got.
So we're going to go back?
Yep, just go back one.
Oh no,
that's okay. We missed it. It's okay.
2014.
Yeah, I was just going to show the
Chevrolet.
Yep.
Camaro.
Yep.
LS3.
Yep.
Find products.
And I'll show you the exact fluid. So hit engine.
Engine.
Yep. And I'll scroll down. We're going to show them the exact capacity so they can see it right here. So every car's capacity is shown on this lookup guide. All right. So now yours calls for what? How much? 8 quarts?
8 quarts.
All right, so we'll go back up to the top and we'll grab your 8 quarts.
We're going to go right quantity.
Here. Yep, and you can get an extra for safety. Just to be safe. Yep, add to carts.
Add to cart.
And now we're going to grab an Amsoil oil filter. So scroll down, and the filter's right here. Grab one of those suckers.
We're going to add to cart.
Yep. And now we're going to go up and grab the engine flush. So hit continue shopping and click here. We're going to go to shopamsoil.com. And now we're going to go to the fuel additives. So go down to fuel additives. We're going to grab a bottle of PI cleaner right here. We're going to go PI cleaner. It doesn't matter, just doesn't matter. Either way, PI cleaner.
All right.
Grab one bottle of that. Right there.
Add to cart.
Yep. And we're going to get one more thing, the engine flush. Go back up to the top.
Continue shopping.
Continue shopping. All the way up. Right here. Shop. We're going to go down to cleaners and protectants. Lubricants and protectants right there. We're going to go to cleaners and protectants. And we're going to go right here. General purpose cleaners. We're going to scroll down, engine flush, right there. We're going to add this to cart. This cleans all the carbon deposits out of around the timing chain, all that. And we flushed Anthony's Subaru too. So check that video out right up here in the corner when we did the engine flush in his car. So now we're going to go down. We're going to go to your cart. If you want any other fluids, we'll keep going, or are you good with the oil change for now?
We'll do the oil change for now.
Perfect. So now this is his preferred customer savings.
Should we do trans?
We should.
Let's do trans fluid.
I heard it in Anthony's voice. We should, just to be sure we have these clean shifts.
So we're gonna
go back up to the top.
Back up to the top.
And we're gonna go back to the lookup guide, which you were just at, right there.
Auto light. We'll go back through the steps. Chevrolet.
Yep.
Camaro. LS3.
Yep.
Find products.
And now we're going to grab the manual transmission fluid, which is transmission fluid. So manual trans calls for signature ATF fluid. So keep going down. We're going to show them what your capacity is. Yours is 8.2 pints, which is 4.1 quarts. So we'll get 5 quarts of the ATF fluid, and we'll do the easy pack, which makes it a lot easier. Add to cart. And the easy pack is, you don't need a handle, so we'll go up to the top. We should be able to check out, view cart.
Ooh, last thing actually.
Oh, we're getting something else, I think. Uh-oh. One more thing. We're going to do the rear diff fluid. Keep going, 1.2 pints. So it looks like you only need 2 of those plus 3 ounces of slip lock additive. So we'll do 1 of those.
One of these?
Yep, just one, because 1.9 pints is only 1 quart.
Okay.
So just 1 of those.
Add to cart.
Yep. And now, Anthony's here. He's in the zone.
And then we need the slip lock.
We're going to get
additive.
the slip lock additive, so keep going down. It should be there. If not, we'll just go to it over here. So go up to the very top. Click here. We'll go shop Amsoil. We're going to go to differential fluid. Gear lubes right there, and now scroll down, you'll see the slip lock additive. Right, keep going. It's a little tube
Slip
right there.
lock.
Grab that sucker. There's your slip lock additive, and this is an anti-chatter, so hit add to cart. Now most vehicles don't require this, but some of them do that have very high horsepower or a super tight limited slip rear diff. Yes, super tight. Yep. And now we'll just go to our shopping carts up here. And now you're going to look over all your pricing. Everything looks good. Quantities look good. Everything looks good. Filters, fluids. You're going to hit checkout now. And then if there's a promo, you can always enter the promo code. So be sure to text me before you sign up. I have my personal link below. And I also have the promotion codes if you ever need one. You never know when they're going to put out a promo. Once you're a preferred customer, you're going to get that to your email. So this is going to allow you to do that. Anthony's going to put in all his card information, and he's just checking out. It doesn't show any numbers, does it?
I'm not sure yet.
All right.
I'm trying to figure out if there's a way I can just take my picture of my card. I don't know if it has that option.
I think you can, but if not, just plug it in. So Anthony's going to plug his card. His card info is not here, but he's going to plug it in now. And this is it. He's going to check out. If you order before noon, about 90% of the time you'll have the products the very next day. If you order after 12 noon, most likely you'll get it not the next day, but the day after. So since we're right near the Speedway Distribution Center, you're going to get it the very next day here in Las Vegas. And Amsoil has distribution centers all over the US and Canada. So you never know where your closest distribution center is. If you are new to the channel here, definitely subscribe. Tap the notification bell. That way you can come back and watch all these different videos like this. You'll be able to watch the video we do with Anthony and his Camaro. And if you have any questions with signing up, I am a Amsoil dealer. That's what I do here full-time on the channel. Synthetic oil protection, and my specific name is Professional YouLubher. So that's all we do is lube up cars. And Anthony's a big part of the channel, and we wanted to share his experience. So that's it. His order details are in. Boom! Boom, it's done. And that's it.
We're about to lubricate the Camaro.
Yes, yes. All right, Anthony. Well, check out the playlist right here on Anthony's Subaru, everything we did. And also check out the video playlist over here on all of his Camaro videos. All right.
Luberation Nation, baby.
That's it. We'll see you back next time on Synthetic Oil Protection. Cheers to protection, protection, protection.